Here we go. This is how you take off. Guys, it couldn't be easier than this. Incredible. Wow. So many details. I'm ready to go flying as the first step. I have to turn on the remote control. Now, in an easy way, I remove the canopy and insert its 4-cell LiPo battery in series 5000 milliamp hours. Now that everything is prepared at this specific point in the assembly, I am going to carefully make the electrical connection by firmly plugging the yellow XT60 connector coming from the battery pack directly into the corresponding matching connector on the electronic speed controller to power up the system. At this moment, we noticed, through the various melodies generated by the brushless motor, the initialization of the A-scale flight controller. So we had a series of beeps generated by the brushless motor, plus the movement of the swash plate, and we're almost ready to take off. But first, I want to point out the professional features with which this fantastic RC helicopter has been built. Starting with the fuselage, which is made of fiberglass with a plywood structure inside. In addition, we also have carbon fiber roving reinforcements, but that's not all. The finish is absolutely outstanding. Look, we even have meticulously detailed rivets here. They are integrated directly into the molding process, along with a wide variety of intricate panel lines across the surface. As for the mechanical part of this build, we have a high-strength carbon fiber frame that provides essential support for the entire mechanical and electronic structure. This includes the main swash plate, which is meticulously crafted from CNC machined aluminum alloy, as well as the impressive 4-blade main rotor system. These 4 blades are designed to faithfully and accurately reproduce the exact look and performance of those found on the original full-scale helicopter. That's right, the Takeoff, Bo 105. These high-performance blades are reinforced and precision-engineered with their own unique airfoil profile, all of which have been meticulously designed by advanced computer software. The internal electronic system is equipped with a powerful, high-efficiency brushless motor, which provides reliable power for both the main rotor and the tail rotor. Furthermore, we have integrated the very latest flight controller based on the sophisticated H2 platform. This represents the absolute top level of Flywing's current flight controller technology, ensuring maximum stability and control. Featured prominently in this latest version would be the A-scale, specifically engineered and optimized for use with scale model helicopters. And not least, a powerful ESC constructed with a robust, high-grade fully aluminum protective casing. So it efficiently dissipates the thermal energy generated by the power transistors much more effectively than standard models. This motor controller is an all-in-one type, meaning it powers both the main motor and the tail motor. Let's go straight to the flight. Flyeski 10-channel computerized radio controller with touchscreen for programming. And I want to show you how easy it is to fly, even if you're a beginner. You arm it like this. the LED starts flashing and we put this switch in the run position. Now the main rotor system will gradually accelerate until it reaches the specific preset RPMs configured in the flight controller, which will then allow the helicopter to lift off the ground smoothly with ease. When we give positive pitch to the blades, here we go, that's how you take off, guys. Could it be any easier? Now let's take a look at its flight characteristics. Of course, by following the exact same procedure that you have just witnessed, I have carefully established the specific return point. And what that essentially implies is, RTH is the automatic return to the starting point. Let's go to the flight area. We're ready to see the beautiful flight characteristics of this helicopter. Right now, I'm in soft mode. This switch allows us to increase the angle of attack and therefore the responsiveness of the model. Soft, normal, and sport. At the moment, we're in GPS mode, so the helicopter holds its position on its own, and look at how professional its flight controller is. It's rock solid, and we even have a bit of wind. Of course, with this switch, we can activate the automatic return to home or disable it. In ATT mode, the GPS function is disabled, and so at that point, the helicopter will be pushed by the elements, that is, the wind. Then we have this other switch which, if set to C-turn, allows you to control the helicopter using only 2 channels, elevator and pitch and directional, so this TIC. Okay, let's see now. Its responsiveness in the softest and most automatic mode. Incredible! How cool! It's super easy, guys. Look how precise it is. In this mode, if I push everything forward, the elevator stick, here's the angle of attack. Very soft. It stabilizes itself. I'm coming back. In normal mode, it really feels like GPS. Look how much more pronounced it is. It glides even more. It self-stabilizes. Let's gain some altitude and go around again. Now I switch to sport mode. It still feels like GPS. I gain some altitude and push the stick all the way forward with the elevator. And it goes much faster. Did you see that? It self-stabilizes when I let go of the sticks. And now let's try a sharper flight in this mode. So much fun. I'm in sport mode. Still with the help of GPS. Now let's try the C-turn function. Activated. And with just this stick, I can control the helicopter. It will automatically give the roll command. What is it for? Look how it even moves on the roll axis without me doing anything. So guys, it doesn't get any easier than this. How cool is that? I'm deactivating C-turn mode and switching to ATT mode. Now, as you can see, the helicopter is coming toward me because the wind is pushing it. I no longer have the fixed point automatically, but it still keeps self-stabilizing. Let's switch to soft mode and see. Already in soft mode, it moves faster when I'm in ATT. Look, much more. It becomes much more responsive, but it still self-stabilizes on its own. Still in ATT, I switch to normal and everything tilts. Look how it tilts, guys, and how fast it goes. With this mode, I prefer to stay a bit higher, even though it's still equipped with a barometer, and so it should maintain the preset altitude at which we stopped. Let's try it in sport mode, full reactivity sport mode. Everything tilts, incredible, guys. Now it's really fun. It goes so fast. Yet it's still always very easy and straightforward to manage in any situation. I truly believe it's the ideal and perfect choice to finally fulfill that lifelong dream of owning a highly detailed, scaled-down helicopter, with which you can fly right away as soon as it arrives without any problems at all. Bye, guys, from Mr. Hobby. Landing.